Alright, so today I'm going to install the split flange in this donut here for the exhaust. This is where the manifold meets the header pipe. And you can see here, this is what was left of the flange on the 350. And I'm going to use one of these split flange adapters here. And I got this at CarQuest. And you can see here, it's just basically going to go around the pipe like this. And you've got a couple of bolts and some lock washers and some nuts. And that's going to put it in place, and I'm going to be able to put that header pipe back up tight against the manifold with the new donut. Incidentally, if you're looking for this part, you're not going to find it everywhere. Places like VIP, they didn't even know what I was talking about, but I got this at CarQuest. This is the part number, and that should fit your 5.7 liter GM manifold. So let's crawl into the vehicle and give this a shot real quick. Alright, so there's the 3-hole split flange, and I'm not going to lie to you, this has been a bear because these studs are not quite long enough. I didn't want to try to pull the studs because you can see that ear right there is actually busted off. And I didn't want to end up getting into a manifold. So what I ended up doing was I got two on this side here. I couldn't get this one threaded, so what I ended up doing was threading these up a little bit. I took a ratchet strap, I put some pressure on here, and then I started loosening these down and ratcheting it over at the same time, which was pulling the pipe this way. And then I finally got this one on here. So this new donut, you know, it's gonna squish into place, I hope, and it's gonna create a good seal, or at least good enough for a sticker. So again, this is just a plow chuck. I'm not sure I'd do this on my regular vehicle, but I think it'll hold just fine. By the time I wind these nuts in here, I think we'll be in good shape. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this has been helpful. You know, again, this is just a 3-hole split flange. They have 2-hole split flanges, and they have some pretty neat products too to deal with these studs. You could cut them off, but I'm just not sure if that would work where this one's cracked. I just didn't want to do too much more to it because I'd end up replacing the manifold. So leave questions and comments below, and we'll be moving on to the water pump here next. Thanks for watching. Hearing header leaking right there.